So this is the chat box kind of a thing with Olama, which is downloaded locally and used. So I enter my query. Say, for example, I say, um, what's the distance from sun to Earth? So basically, this is Olama basic version. So they're very whenever you do this local downloading, you will have different versions coming with it. So here it is. The average distance is nearly 93, blah, 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 blah. So this is exactly that you see when you're accessing ChatGPT or, iGPT at Intel. But what we don't, this is the API version of it. The advantage of API version is you can connect it seamlessly with all the Python scripts, and the usage will be like too good. So this is one test. The second Python thing I've tried is document analysis. So again, like I told, this is the basic downloaded version. There are higher versions, as in the higher the version, the more data it filters and the more accurate the analysis will be. But since it's just a laptop, I just picked the second version. So your response time is also more, and it decreases with the version, higher version. Okay. So, um, okay, I will have to run this differently. Just a minute. This is a Streamlit application. Streamlit is another cover up over the regular Python to run this, to launch a web browser. This is exactly what they've done for our IGPT, and recently they also showed a demo of document search, right? This is exact same one. So for example, I take up this, license. So you see it comes with some limitations like your file size cannot exceed 200 MB. So based on the version that you download, there are you restrict or operate it in a limited configuration. Uh, this is my personal laptop and it's not so great, so I've just chosen all smaller or bare minimum configurations. So this will take a while for completion. Uh, so basically what it does, once it uploads the file, then it gives you a prompt and you can ask any questions regarding that with this file. So this is called RAG. What this essentially does is it will the answer that it produces is basically taken from three inputs. One is the document that you upload. The second is the chat history. So you keep on asking series of questions. So the previous answers also get involved in the next response. And it's general, Llama model. It's generic knowledge. So based on all three, uh, this will give out a response. But since it's specifically about the PDF, when it assigns the weights, it would assign better weightage to the context here. So this is going to take some time. Let's wait. And if you see, this is all hosted locally. But unfortunately, DeepSeek is not yet approved tool at Intel. So if we get this approval in case, we'll have to go for the higher version and set it up on a server with better RAM and high-end system. But to start with, this is more than enough. Because it's not very responsive, I've even named it as document analysis poor. So and you really have to bear with the response time. But once it's uploaded and it creates all those, uh, its database, and as you keep asking more and more questions, your answers are more refined and it will pick up speed. Then take a break and come back. So DeepSeek Carbon is the basic version, and DeepSeek V3 is the latest. I think that comes with a price. This is the free version. Let's just open and see what this license contains. So we know what to look for. Consumer rights, we can just question something based on what we have here. Let's go back to this. Yeah. So let's now ask. What do we ask? Let's just ask. How is a dispute resolved as per the license? I have to wait. Can go for a bigger break. So as per the license, how do they resolve? Okay, so this is what it is. Let's see how it produces the result. If you have patience, you can read through the entire license to see how effective reasoning and output this program gives. Just taken a small aspect of dispute resolution in our example. Oh God. I can also meanwhile show you the actual, DeepSeek. Go to DeepSeek website. You could actually see this. Mm, yeah, this one. Start now. And then you have it here. Let's upload the same file. License. Still yet to give an answer. Okay, this is uploaded. So let me ask the same question that I asked you. Isn't this awesome? So, so this is using the V3 version that runs here. However, this may not give you such a detailed answer, but let's just wait and check. Yeah, now it's generating an answer. So this is exactly as per the documentation, clearly outlaid what it actually means, that we've seen here, right? Where was that? Yeah. In Cambodia and India, how the license dispute resolution is different. It's clearly called it out here. Similarly, let's see what this gives. Okay, this gives something totally different, but however, that's the thing. So there's a little bit um, relevance taken out from the document. Arbitration rules, Singapore's arbitration law, blah blah blah, Cambodia, all that. Uh, yeah, but it has it did use the document, and some of it is totally its own, you know, insight into this. All right. So as you see, the difference is that this is a very basic model and is advanced. Look at the accuracy, difference in accuracy. This is more generic and lengthy answer, and you'll have to read through all of this, but this is absolutely bang on the point. Okay. So this is how it is. So if we have to use this, we can host a better model and use this. But all I wanted to tell with this example is you can actually use it, host it locally, and no data can go out of your system, and all the privacy rules can still stay that way. All right, thank you.